For the first time in 4 years, Governor Abbott visiting Lubbock today. He was briefed by local officials on everything from contract tracing to Lubbock ISD's plan to safely reopen schools next week. KLBK's Grace Morris was there today. Grace, did Governor Abbott talk about any of the plans he has for Texas in the future?
Terry, while he said he was impressed with the area's response to COVID-19, he stressed it's important to remain vigilant. He touched on bringing more tests to nursing homes and what positivity rates the state needs to see before reopening bars. Now, I also spoke to two protesters at the press conference today who said that Abbott needs to consider the livelihood of local business owners and those living in nursing homes. While speaking in Lubbock, Governor Abbott warned that COVID-19 fatigue could become a new threat.
If people do not continue to in a very disciplined way maintain the highest level of standards, what you will see is an acceleration of the expansion of COVID-19.
After a spike in cases was reported after Memorial Day, Abbott stressed staying vigilant, especially as schools reopen and more holidays are around the corner.
As we return to school, as we are on the precipice of flu season, as we're coming upon Labor Day, it's so important for people to not let their guard down.
But Abbott says the tools currently in place to contain COVID-19 are the right ones, and that until new methods become available, wearing masks and social distancing is all we can do. But for Jamie Engler, whose father is in a nursing home, she says that regulations discouraging visitation are causing her father harm.
I miss my daddy. I miss being able to talk to him.
He doesn't deserve to be treated like a prisoner. He deserves to have family.
But Abbott says plans to increase testing in nursing homes are in the works.
We will have same-day turnaround test results in all nursing homes across the state of Texas. That should begin this week, more fully next week.
As for bars in the area, Abbott says they will be allowed to open if the COVID positivity rate goes down.
We do need to see the positivity rate go back below 10% for a sustained period of time. We do need to see more hospital rooms become available, and then we need to see that bar establishments have a strategy that can be enforced with discipline.
For Felinia Burge, who owns Crawdaddy Sports Bar and Grill, she says not allowing bars to open puts her livelihood at risk.
We need to get back to work. I mean, we're losing everything we've worked for. I just need to open. I mean, my livelihood is at stake. Everything I own is for sale, my house, everything I own, and I just want to be back open.
Abbott saying that until there's better medicine to treat COVID-19, it's important to keep your guard up and to limit social gatherings.
One of the settings in which COVID spreads the most rapidly right now is these gatherings. People must maintain vigilance, even when just gathering with family members.
Governor Abbott headed to El Paso this afternoon, but for more details on what Abbott spoke about today, make sure to check out our website, everythinglubbock.com.